Welcome to the compilation of the top 17 websites that offer opportunities for easy money-making starting today. Some of these platforms provide small, consistent payouts for minimal effort, while others, albeit requiring more dedication, have the potential to yield substantial income, perhaps liberating you from your less-than-ideal job. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Amazon Shopper Panel. Chances are, you're familiar with Amazon for shopping, but did you know you can also make money through it? The Amazon Shopper Panel, available as both an app and website, offers monthly rewards for simple tasks like sharing receipts from non-Amazon purchases and completing brief surveys, among other activities. Unlike many survey sites, the Amazon Shopper Panel guarantees a minimum of $10 per month by submitting just 10 eligible receipts. While this may seem modest, additional earnings are possible through surveys and other tasks, making it a reliable source of income. I must say, Jeff Bezos may be a bit frugal, but at least he's offering something. Rating: 1 out of 10. Honey Game. One website I've been consistently using is Honey Game, which provides me with effortless passive income. By downloading the app on your computer or phone, you can earn money by sharing your internet bandwidth. Essentially, companies pay for access to this data to gather information for accurate pricing, such as for plane tickets. While it won't replace your main income, it can earn you between $5 to $30 per month, depending on the number of devices you have it installed on. Additionally, using my referral link below grants you a $2 bonus. While not life-changing, it's an easy way to earn money with minimal effort. Rating: 2 out of 10. Bank Churning. Bank churning isn't tied to a specific website, but revolves around a strategy of opening new bank accounts to capitalize on cash bonuses offered by banks. Many banks entice new customers with sizable cash bonuses, and a simple online search reveals numerous reputable options. By opening and fulfilling the requirements of these accounts, you can earn bonuses ranging from $100 to $1,000 without necessarily closing your existing accounts. Personally, I still engage in bank churning as it requires minimal time, investment, and offers significant returns. Rating: 3 out of 10. Surveys on the Go. Another app that appears to offer a reliable avenue for earning extra money is Surveys on the Go. While it won't make you wealthy, many users attest to earning decent spare change by completing quick tasks, often taking only a few seconds. Reviews suggest that some individuals can make anywhere from $100 to $200 per month by engaging in various micro-tasks within the app. Given its potential for earning extra income in one's spare time, Surveys on the Go merits consideration. Rating: 3 out of 10. Perception. Perception is a service that compensates you for testing websites and mobile apps from the comfort of your home using just your phone or computer. Unlike some other testing platforms, Perception doesn't require you to connect audio or video during tests. Instead, you provide feedback through screenshots or screen recordings. Each test can earn you up to $25, with some users reporting monthly earnings as high as $1,600. I'd rate Perception a 4 out of 10 for its earning potential. Hey Piggy. While it's widely acknowledged that taking surveys won't lead to significant wealth, apps like Hey Piggy still offer a means of earning some extra cash. Hey Piggy facilitates answering questions for major companies like Amazon and Netflix, boasting advantages such as low payout thresholds, a high volume of daily surveys, and shorter screening processes. Users have reported earnings ranging from 50 cents to $10 per survey, with some making up to $200 per month. Considering its potential for supplementing income, Hey Piggy earns a rating of 3 out of 10. Webble. For those seeking a quick way to earn money, the investing app Webble offers an enticing opportunity through its free stock giveaways. Simply opening an account with Webble and depositing at least 1 penny can result in receiving 6 free stocks, potentially valued at up to $118,000. This straightforward process presents a relatively easy way to make quick money. Earning Webble a rating of 4 out of 10. Cashkick. Essentially, in today's smartphone-driven world, where we find ourselves reaching for our phones multiple times a day, Cashkick offers a way to turn that idle time into extra cash. With Cashkick, you can earn money by playing games, taking surveys, or trying out new products and services. Known for its prompt payouts and excellent referral program, Cashkick stands out for its straightforward offers and easy money-making opportunities compared to similar platforms. Users have reported making up to $500 in their first month, with an average of $200 thereafter. Of course, the more time you invest, the more you stand to earn. Given its potential for turning phone usage into earnings, Cashkick earns a rating of 4 out of 10. Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie caters to music enthusiasts who enjoy discovering new tunes and sharing their thoughts on them. This website pays users to review music, providing feedback that aids artists, record labels, and brands in making decisions. Reviewers can earn up to 20 cents per review, with the average user making around $50 per month. While this may not seem substantial, for music lovers who listen to numerous songs daily, earnings can accumulate quickly. Slice the Pie earns a rating of 4 out of 10 for its potential to turn music exploration into earnings. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. SpeakRight. For those with fast typing skills, SpeakRight offers an opportunity to capitalize on their talent and earn money through transcription work. As an online transcription company, SpeakRight hires independent contractors who can set their own hours and work from home. Typists on this platform can earn up to $450 per month, with top earners bringing in as much as $3,400 monthly. Payments are made twice a month via direct deposit or check. With its flexible hours and potential for substantial earnings, SpeakRight receives a rating of 5 out of 10. Merch on Demand. Merch on Demand is a service provided by Amazon, offering a print-on-demand platform that enables you to earn passive income by selling custom-branded products. The process is straightforward. You create your designs, upload them onto various products like shirts, hoodies, phone cases, and mugs, and Amazon sells these products on your behalf on their platform. You earn a royalty for each product sold. Getting started is simple. You request a spot on the Merch on Demand page, upload your designs, select your products, and set prices. Even if you're not a designer, you can find pre-made designs on sites like Creative Market or Raw Pixel, or use AI tools like Midjourney to create designs for you. Amazon handles everything from printing to shipping. Many users have reported earning significant monthly incomes, ranging from $1,000 to $10,000, by selling products on Merch by Amazon. Given its potential for generating substantial income, Merch on Demand earns a rating of 5 out of 10. AI-generated books. Another AI-powered money-making opportunity is writing books with AI and selling them on platforms like Amazon using Kindle Direct Publishing. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Copy AI, or Jasper, you can create books within days, complete with unique content and anti-plagiarism measures. After creating the books, you can sell them on Amazon using Kindle Direct Publishing or use tools like Blurb for book design. Earnings from selling AI-generated books on Amazon can range from a few $1,000s to 6 figures, depending on various factors. With minimal effort required due to AI assistance, this opportunity earns a rating of 6 out of 10. PromptBase. PromptBase is a platform where you can sell different AI prompts to earn passive income. These prompts can be used for various AI applications, including Midjourney, ChatGPT, and DOL. Getting started is simple. You sign up on the prompt-based website and start selling your prompts. While it's challenging to predict potential earnings due to the novelty of AI, platforms like Etsy demonstrate the potential for significant sales, translating into substantial income. If you're already creating AI books or artwork, selling prompts on PromptBase offers an additional income stream with great potential. Considering its early-stage potential and versatility, PromptBase earns a rating of 6 out of 10. Low-content books. Low-content books, such as journals, coloring books, and crossboard puzzles, are highly sought after on platforms like Amazon. Creating these books is relatively easy. You can utilize AI tools like Midjourney to generate coloring pages and designs, or dedicated platforms like BookBolt designed specifically for low-content book creation. Once your books are ready, platforms like Amazon KDP allow you to self-publish them, with Amazon handling printing and distribution. With the potential to reach millions of customers, earnings from selling low-content books vary widely, from a few dollars to over $10,000 per month. Given the significant potential for income generation, this opportunity receives a rating of 6 out of 10. Guru.com. Guru.com offers freelancing opportunities across various fields, similar to platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. You can search for jobs, submit proposals, and build a reputation on the platform. With the potential to earn between $50,000 and $100,000 per year, Guru.com provides ample opportunities for freelancers to showcase their skills and secure projects. Despite its name, you don't need to be an expert to succeed on the platform, earning it a rating of 7 out of 10. Winzant. Winzant provides an opportunity for individuals with diverse skills to earn substantial income by tutoring online. With rates ranging up to $100 per hour, tutors can teach a wide range of subjects, from computer skills to music and writing. Some tutors have earned millions of dollars by leveraging their expertise on the platform. With the potential for significant earnings and flexible hours, Wiesen earns a rating of 9 out of 10. AI artwork. AI artwork presents a lucrative opportunity for individuals to create and sell high-quality original art using AI tools like Midjourney. By selling digital prints on platforms like Etsy and offering physical prints through print-on-demand services, individuals can earn upwards of $10,000 per month with minimal effort. Given its simplicity, high income potential, and ease of scalability, AI artwork earns a perfect rating of 10 out of 10. If you love this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.